Hey supporters, make sure to follow our social media accounts, X, YouTube, and Instagram. Links are provided on all 3 platforms. Now, in order to donate, go to the Beacons link. Click the first link that is shown. If you don't want to click any links, go to the website shown in this video. To make a donation, click on Give Now. Enter your desired amount of money and click Continue. If you want, enter your name, a supporting message, or you can just skip to donate anonymously. Select the payment method, for example, PayPal. Agree and confirm the terms and press. Select the amount of tip you want to give. Click the yellow button to finish the donation. Also, make sure to share this website page to all social media platforms by copying the link and pasting to various platforms. You can even do it manually by clicking the given platforms like Facebook and X. Thank you for supporting, and we look forward to more support.